In this session, let us learn about random data distribution. What is data distribution? Data distribution is a list of all possible values and how often each value occurs. Such lists are important when working with statistics and data science. The random module offers methods that returns randomly generated data distributions. Random distribution. A random distribution is a set of random numbers that follow a certain probability density function. Probability density function. A function that describes a continuous probability. This is probability of all values in an array. We can generate random numbers based on defined probabilities using the choice method of the random module. The choice method allows us to specify the probability of each value. The probability is set by a number between 0 and 1, where 0 means that the value will never occur and 1 means that the value will always occur. See the example, generate a 1D array containing 100 values where each value has to be 3, 5, 7 or 9. The probability for the value to be 3 is set to be 0.1. The probability for the value to be 5 is set to be 0.3. The probability for the value to be 7 is set to be 0.6. The probability for the value to be 9 is set to be 0. See, when we execute this code, the result returns this. The sum of all probabilities numbers should be 1. Even if you run the example above 100 times, the value 9 will never occur. You can return arrays of any shape and size by specifying the shape in the size parameter. See the example. Same example as shown, but return a 2D array with 3 rows, each containing 5 values. See here, while we are executing this code, the result returns this. Okay friends, this is the end of part 16, data distribution. In next video, let us learn about another topic, random permutations. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.